This story we carry coming now about that popular TikToker where the girl come outside can't do something about Aye, where we say they can't later disgrace her. And I know say when I come outside, I don't talk this one, I talk saying for Ghana it happen, but no, I don't go do my research. I can't see and say now inside Nigeria, this one they happen for. This one, in fact, to me, now pure bad news. And I know say then this girl come outside do her Aye video, thinking say she create fun. She don't know say she just go find trouble for them these people. Well, besides these people now can't carry her, can't naked. As it be, I say they just catch one of those guys. Among those group of people who commit this offense to this guy, they don't catch one of them. But as it be, this guy never confirmed to us, be this lady they alive or but she they dead. But in they very certain say, now then commit this whole crime to this girl. Before I continue, make now follow me watch.
You will be.
What will be your name? Smart. What you not do that guy good?
No more.
Where not forbid that girl?
Now Covenant Road.
For where for Covenant Road?
Come, the market.
For computer building,
Now street, not be.
na street. Na street. How many of you now? Na be six. Who and who? What will be their name?
Para Smart. Then Asuru. John.
Where did they stay?
Oh, John. Now they don't win now.
You don't win now. What of the girl?
John.
What of the girl?
I don't know where the girl is.
Where not for go carry?
Now Pauline go where she also.
Na for polygo for wish for the hustle. How na tell know the girl?
Also know the girl. I don't know the girl before. Now one of my friends I say he know the girl.
Say no the girl. What did the girl do?
They say play music. Me go buy food when I take see my friend for there. He say the girl they play music. Say they play all those Aye's music. Now I go say why that girl go do that kind of thing? They come point the girl say look this video. Not be this girl do this video. Now I say this video and this face look different because this video this girl wear wood and she put on something white. So I not feel identify. Now the girl I can say no the girl maybe you know what you don't know I be. I take talk that one I say okay but I not really know who is that guy I want to put the girl issue. So I not be this girl. Later they can't call the girl. Come say you person carry you they break it or say you can get one or two issues. Then the girl can say nothing like that but who be the person may they call the person may come. Then they carry the girl come go Covenant. Now me come ask the girl say now they say you do video for TikTok. And the girl can say yes say she do video for TikTok.
Now she do the video.
Yes.
The girl can't tell una. The who can't naked her abi? Abi na so na take carry her with nakedness.
No, actually with that nakedness I not deal with them when they naked the girl. Because move that guy when I tell say not be this girl, move that guy they get issue. Move I call it like the letter and say bros, I don't be saying that this girl. Before I reach here, they don't naked the girl.
They don't naked the girl. Who and who can't sleep with the girl? No?
Nobody sleep with the girl.
Nobody sleep with her.
In fact, are they very happy? Say first they catch this guy because me I don't wait on this update. I don't wait to see how this matter go end up. But it still remains say either she dey alive now that one we never feel confirmed. But I suppose that all these questions where they ask this guy, me no even they necessary to me. They suppose ask this guy say where this guy dey because all this guy they confirm now him no dey part. Say when he just come, he just meet this guy naked. Say he never even touch the. I know they understand your English, Mr. Man. You know they part, but you dey there. Now you dey tell the guy say open your leg. Waiting you chook inside. We no know. What you wanna do this guy? We no understand. Now you won't come they come up blame. They talk to him and him friend that they even fight. So him not to know anything about this girl. I beg this act wanna do make us talk. He good on our own eye. As na see as na they maltreat this girl, they beat her. As na they water on her body, no they tell on her say this one what they do is no good. On a torture person picking so te but she dey alive now. Nobody know. On a go join court, the essence of the court I know the same. What you on they gain inside this whole matter, we know they even know. And I go come carry on and say, now school they go to make na go school go there, and I know go there go there. Now person matter on I go carry for head. Ordinary TikTok video will be say, and I go just tell and say, auntie delete am, case don't close for there. But anyway, I go dey pray say make this girl dey alive. For make she self come outside, come use her mouth, give that testimony. Because it go really pay me if I hear say this girl don't die. Because the way they talk say her, they go kpai her, they go kpai her. I no go surprise say they don't do am. Maybe this guy just there now, they cover him. But Nigerian police say, I beg, make una still do an investigation well. Find out the remaining 5 people wey commit this crime. My people, as I dey hear more about this matter, now so I go dey carry and come give you. Make una stay tuned for our next story.